ChatGPT hit 100 million users in 2 months. But here's what nobody tells you: it doesn't understand anything. It's doing something far weirder and more fascinating. It's a prediction machine with billions of math parameters. In this video, we're breaking down how ChatGPT actually works. No hype. No oversimplification. Just pure mechanics. Stick around. So what is ChatGPT? It's a language model, a prediction machine trained on billions of words from the internet. Here's the analogy: you've read every book ever written. Someone shows you the cat sat on the and asks what's next. You'd guess Matt. You've seen that pattern before. ChatGPT does exactly that with mathematics. It's not thinking. It's pattern matching at a superhuman scale. The name large language model is accurate. It's large because it has billions of parameters, tiny adjustable values tuned during training. When you chat with ChatGPT, you're using a tool that's gotten unnaturally good at predicting words. It's not a conscious entity. It's mathematics optimized for word prediction. During training, ChatGPT learned by seeing billions of sentences and predicting the next word. It sees the cat sat on the and guesses Matt. The actual answer is Matt, correct. The system gives it a score and adjusts billions of internal parameters slightly. If it guesses wrong, the adjustment goes the other direction. Repeat millions of times, and suddenly the AI recognizes patterns. It learns that cat is usually followed by verbs like sat, jumped, or ran. It picks up grammar, facts, writing style, everything. It's not memorizing. It's learning statistical relationships between words. By the way, if this is clicking for you, subscribe. It takes a second and helps us reach more curious people. This training process required weeks of computing power across thousands of GPUs. ChatGPT's brain is a transformer neural network. Imagine your brain has neurons that fire when recognizing patterns. Neural networks work similarly. Artificial neurons activate when detecting patterns in data. ChatGPT has multiple layers. Your input gets broken into tokens, word-sized pieces. Data flows through transformer layers analyzing relationships between words. One layer learns subjects, another learns verbs. Each layer builds on the previous, getting more abstract. By the end, the network knows what comes next. The secret sauce is attention, focusing on relevant parts of your input. If you ask about bank, the model checks surrounding words to figure out if you mean a financial bank or a riverbank. Context becomes meaning through attention. When you message ChatGPT, it tokenizes your text, breaking it into pieces. ChatGPT understands roughly 100,000 tokens, about 4 per word. Those convert to embeddings, mathematical numbers the network understands. Your question flows through transformer layers. Each layer processes tokens and generates new representations. Each layer can look backward and forward through your entire message using attention, asking, what's important? What relates to what? By the final layers, the network has a rich mathematical representation of your question. This happens in milliseconds. Your question, how does photosynthesis work, becomes a massive matrix of numbers flowing through billions of parameters, each one adjusting toward an answer. The network hasn't understood you in the human sense. It's converted your question into mathematics. Now it's using that math to generate an answer. ChatGPT doesn't output complete answers at once. It generates one token at a time, like someone forming thoughts while speaking. The network predicts probability scores for the next word. Not just the most likely word, but thousands of possibilities ranked. ChatGPT picks the most likely one or uses randomness for variety. It feeds that new token back into the network along with your original question and predicts the next word. Then again. Then again. It continues until hitting a special end token or length limit. This is why ChatGPT sometimes meanders or repeats itself. It's not planning a full essay. It's making local decisions, predicting the next word thousands of times with no big picture awareness. It's high-stakes word prediction played out in real time. So here's what we've covered. ChatGPT learns patterns from billions of words. Uses a transformer network to understand context. Converts your input into mathematics. Generates output one word at a time by predicting probabilities. It's statistical pattern matching, not reasoning. By the way, if you know people constantly asking what's the AI hype about, send them this video. They'll finally get it. Subscribe if you haven't. Here's the critical thing most people miss: ChatGPT has enormous limitations. No real understanding. Can't browse the web. Can't learn from conversations. Sometimes confidently says completely false things. No beliefs, desires, or awareness. Just numbers flowing through mathematics at light speed. That's what makes it incredible and honestly kind of unsettling. You're talking to a machine so sophisticated at predicting words that it fooled 100 million people into thinking something's home. If you want to understand how AI is reshaping your world, subscribe and hit notifications. We release videos twice weekly diving deep into technology that matters. Curious about where AI goes next and what it can't actually do? Watch our next video. Thanks for watching TechClarity. Let's stay curious. ChatGPT is pattern matching at superhuman scale. No consciousness. No genuine understanding. It mimics intelligence so well that it fools us. No beliefs. No desires. Just probabilities flowing through mathematics at light speed. That's what makes it simultaneously amazing and unsettling. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.